Hi, you're Jeremy Foley, right? The head strength coach for the University of Florida? Hi, it's truly great to meet you. My name is Austin Fry. I believe you worked with my head strength coach at Texas A&M, Eric Hyman. He talked a great deal about you when I played for him a few years back while I was earning my degree in kinesiology. He was a great coach and almost an even better boss when I worked for him after my playing days. He allowed me to implement my own strength and conditioning philosophies, letting me push the players to become even better than they ever thought that they could be. It allowed me to develop relationships with the players as a coach because that is something that I believe is key to a great athletic program. Players that truly know the coach, I believe, will work harder because they make it personal. He eventually started teaching some of my own philosophies once I left Texas A&M because of the dramatic strength increase as a whole on the team when he allowed me to work the team out as my own. When I was in high school, I was homeschooled, so playing college football was a huge dream. But I never stopped working, and I eventually walked onto the team, earned a scholarship, and was a 3 year letter winner. Having that story in my past allows me to tell my players that there's nothing that you can't do. There's no obstacle in the way, it's only the way that you approach it and how much effort and how much sacrifice you're willing to give for your goal. I'm sure your program has an excellent strength staff, but if you ever have an opening as assistant on your staff, I would love the opportunity for an interview. I'd like to leave you with my card because I love the opportunity to work with such a great staff and such a prestigious university. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me. Have a great day.